The thirsty crow. Okay, now we are going to read what the story it is. On a hot day, under the blazing sun, a thirsty crow named Crowy flew all over the fields looking for the water. So what happened on a hot day? This thirsty crow was flying over all the fields and desert, and it was searching for water. So then what happened? For a long time he couldn't find any water, and a poor Crowy was getting very thirsty. What happened? Then Crowy spotted a jug far away in the field and got excited. He was very happy. He found one jug far away from the desert. Then he flew straight down, hoping there was a water inside the jug. So he flew straight down and he was sitting on the jug and he was watching whether there was any water. Then what happened? But when he looked inside, he saw only a little water at the bottom of the jug. Look, when he's looking inside, he found only little water in the jug. Then Crowy tried to break the jug, but it was too hard. He was trying to break the jug, but it was too hard. He then tried to tilt the jug to get the water, but it was too heavy. Then he tried to shake the jug, but it was too heavy. He could not shake the jug. Feeling sad, he was feeling very sad. He looked around, thinking hard about how to get water. He was looking around, he was feeling very sad. Then suddenly he noticed some pebbles lying nearby and his eyes lit up with an idea. So he saw some pebbles. Pebbles mean stones on the sand. Then he got an idea. Crowy picked up the pebbles and dropped them into the jug. So he took all the stones and dropped into the
Jug.
jug. Then what happened? As he dropped more pebbles, the water slowly rose up. So when he was dropping all the stones and pebbles, stones inside the jug, water came up. Finally, the water reached the top of the jug. Crowy was so happy. He drank all the cool, refreshing water to his heart's content. So that means he was very happy in his heart that he drank all the water, and his thirsty went away. Feeling happy and satisfied, Crowy flew away, cawing with joy. Caw, 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 caw! It flew away. He was filled with joy that his thirstiness went away. Okay? Now we know the story. Now we are going to do the activity. Now you want to connect the dots, join the numbers in order to reveal the letter. What letter is it, my dear? You have
C.
Yes, correct. Now you join the dots from 1, 2, 3, like that. You join all the dots together and you have to show which letter is that. No, from here. 1, 2, 3.
Oops.
It's okay, you can do. Okay, it's okay. Now do this also. Whoa, you did C. C for crow. Crowy. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Match the color. Match and color. So match the pictures to their names. I will read and show you what are the names. Okay? Pebbles. Crow. Water. Jug. Now you have to match it. Look at the pictures and match at the words. What did you draw in your hand? Can you show me? Tell me again.
That is a man
Okay.
with catching some water on it.
Oh.
And the catching some little bit of little asteroid on it, so that it can boost all the way to draw something all the way. This one is
Very nice.
oh. These are pedals.
Yes.
This
pebbles.
is floor,
Yeah.
and this is water, and this is jug.
Yes. Amazing. Come on, match it. Water. Yeah, great job. You finished.
Oops.
Next. Now you have to circle how the crow is feeling. Okay? How it's feeling, ma? Crowy? He's feeling thirsty and hungry. He's feeling.
Thirsty.
Yeah. Come on. Now circle. I'll show you. Thirsty. Look.
I got.
Oh, okay. Come on. Super. You are circling how crow is feeling. Yeah, you are looking at the picture and you're circling how crow is feeling. Very nice.
Done.
Next. This one. Is crow feeling tired or happy?
Happy.
Yes. Now circle the word happy. Super. See, look. Now you have to the right picture. You have to tick the right picture where the crow is looking for water. This one or this one? Tick the picture where the crow is looking for water. He saw the water. Here only he is searching for water, looking for water. Yes?
Here.
Yes. Very nice. Very good. Tick it. In this picture, he is trying to put the pebbles and increase the water level. Okay? He is making the water to come up so that he can drink the water. In this picture, he is searching the water. So they are asking us where the cow is looking for water. Which picture is it? So this picture. The next picture. Take the picture where the crow is looking at the pebbles.
Here.
Where the crow is looking at the picture.
Here.
Yeah, yes. This is the picture where the crow is looking at the pebbles. Amazing. Here, what he is looking? In this picture, he's looking inside the
Water.
yeah. It's a well where they store water. Okay, so he's looking inside the
Water.
Yeah, amazing. Answer the questions. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer for each question. So you're going to look at the picture first. And what is the crowy looking at? What is he looking at?
He's looking at the cup.
Yeah, it's a jug. Okay.
Okay.
So they're given options: A, nest, jug, tree. So what is he looking at?
A
He's looking at a
jug.
jug, nest, or tree.
Jug.
Yeah, amazing. He's looking at a jug. So tick. He's looking at a jug. Next one. What was there in the jug? They're asking, what was there in the jug? Is it a cool drink, juice, or water?
Juice. Oops.
It's a cool drink, juice, or water, ma? What is inside the jug?
Water.
Yes, amazing. So where's the water? This is cool drink, this is juice, this is water. So you have to take the water, okay? Amazing.